Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an InHand ER805 router and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's one of two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this router is not connecting, or if it's not detected, or if it's lagging and not responding, things like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now the second reason you're going to want to do this is if you want to just set this up in a new location and you just want everything wiped off of it clean so you can set it up as a new device. We can go ahead and do that really easily. We're going to start with it turned off, and we're going to need a paper clip or something like that we're going to push in the reset hole. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it on, and as soon as we give power to it, we're going to press and hold the reset button in there with our paper clip. And we're going to look at the power indicator, and the power indicator should blink for about 30 seconds. We're just going to keep holding it, and then when it'll say stay solid on. When it stays solid on, you can let go of the reset button, and then the power indicator should start blinking again. And then, once it starts blinking again, then you want to start pressing the reset button again. And then when the power indicator starts blinking slowly, then you can release the reset button again. And then the router will start back up at that point in its factory default settings.